My grandmother used to make donuts as a treat. Actually, when she would do it was when we were staying at Grandma's house and my parents would go out for the evening. It was always when Mom and Dad were out that she would whip up a batch of sour cream donuts. And I've got half a cup of buttermilk and half a cup of sour cream. And I'll put that in my bowl, along with a single egg and half a cup of sugar. Here we go. And I'll stir that first to combine it. I'm preheating some vegetable oil, and I've got it comfortably sitting around 350. The sugar caramelizes when you add these to the fryer, so 350 or under, but you don't want to cross that 350 mark. And into this, I'll sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of fine salt, the last little addition to the donuts, a little grated nutmeg. And I'll stir this up just until blended, nice and fluffy. Somehow, my grandma would be able to take tablespoonfuls and make perfect little circles. I don't know if I am that gifted. And you don't drop your donut batter from high up. You actually want to bring it close to the oil. That way it won't splash. Just drop it in. And you let them go about 2-3 minutes on each side. You want them to be a nice, even, golden brown. You can let the donuts cool and then dust them with icing sugar, or make a cinnamon sugar, just tossing cinnamon and sugar together. Just a couple pinches of cinnamon. There we go. And there they go. Some of them have already turned themselves over. Roll them in the cinnamon sugar. So I've got my cinnamon sugar-coated donuts. Just a dusting of icing sugar on the others. What a treat.